What's up mga mami? Another day, another discovery. So for today's video ay magta-travel tayo ulit. Pero for today and for the rest of the trip, I'm with the Titas of Manila. Ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa Bangkok, Thailand. And later, makakasama namin si Mama. So, see you all throughout our vlogs. Update namin kayo later. Now, we are boarding. Papasok na kami sa aircraft. Let's G. Ito na kami sa loob. Pa-boarding na. See you later. We're here already. Tada! With ate. Let's go. Ito tayo ate. So, pupunta na kami ng immigration. And kikitain na namin si Mama. And ito na si Mother. We're here na. Kompleto na ang buong team. Sila Bibi. La Bebe at La Bibi. Welcome to Thailand! This is the Suvarnabhumi Airport. Kukunin muna natin yung ating Klook dahil nag-rent tayo sa Klook ng Wi-Fi para meron tayong internet for the whole tour. Punta tayo sa Klook booth. So yan. Hi, let's go to Klook. Hi. Here's the QR. Passport. Okay.
So you keep the deposit 4,000 baht each day until 27.
Okay.
We can also give you the form.
Okay.
We have one to the right. So
Yes.
I can charge it. Signature.
Only one signature?
Yeah.
Here. Already got our modem Wi-Fi. So, we're ready to go. Magta-taxi na tayo papunta sa ating accommodation. Ito yung itsura ng labas nila. Kailangan muna natin mag-book ng large taxi kasi marami po kaming luggage. Dito yan located sa first floor ng Suvarnabhumi Airport. So here it is. Yan, mag-booking tayo. Get a ticket. There. So maglalabas yan ng ticket. Then, let's go. So, dyan, naka-indicate yung information kung saang lane number and kung sinong driver. 39 daw. Let's go to lane 39. So, mga mommy ay nagkahiwalay nga kami ng taxi dahil hindi allowed ang 5 people sa isang SUV car dito at marami rin kaming maleta. So, kami ni Ate Rose ang magkasama today. Yes. Touchdown! Vince Hotel! Check-in na tayo, guys. Time check. 4:08. Merong free iced tea. Free popcorn. Here's their lobby. So here is our room, guys. Ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa Central World. So, ang famous na pasyalan dito sa Bangkok. So, dito sa likod ko yung temple. So, give respect natin yan. Hindi ko na masyadong videohan. By the way, dito located yung mga famous shops like Gentlewoman, may Alo din dito. Yung second street, bilihan ng mga second hand bags and mga damit. So dito nyo yan matatagpuan sa loob lang yan ng Central World. Harapan nito, nandito naman yung pinakamalaking Big C dito sa Pratunam. And also, mamaya pupunta tayo dun sa the market or market ng Bangkok dahil dyan naman yung House of Little Bunny. Night market time! Dito lang yan sa Pratunam Night Market. Yan, maglalakad-lakad muna. Ba't iba ang mga mabibili nyo dito? Mga ternong damit. Affordable prices. Ayan, mahaba-haba to. Kaya samahan nyo kaming gumala. At spend ang first night dito sa shopping area. Again, sa Pratunam Night Market. Yan. Bibili na po sila ng elephant jogging pants. Magkano po yan? Magkano po?
Nasa 80 lang.
80 baht.
100 nakuha namin yung 80.
Yes.
With my child.
Yes. Very charming and gorgeous. Thailand bags. Ito naman kami sa mga bag. Ang dami dito mga mami. Yan. 4 pieces, 100 baht. Mga coin purse. Sa mga bags naman, 6 pieces for 500 baht. Last stop, the inhalers. Syempre, na-inhale na lahat. Mawawala ba naman mga pang massage. Ayan sila ate. Namimili. And ito na po ang sample ng mga napagod.
Na. Super init.
Ayan, dito yung shop.
Visitor hello.
Here. Here, bili tayo ng inihaw. Yeah. So that's it everyone for our day 1 here in Bangkok, mga mommy. Nagantay na kami ng shuttle papunta sa aming hotel.
Lagkit na. Personal lang.
Naglalagkit na kami and tomorrow is another day. So see you tomorrow, mga mommy. Morning mga mommy, day 2 in Thailand. Outfit check. Good morning mga mommy. So kakain na tayo kasi this hotel has their free breakfast. So kapakita ko sa inyo yung mga food na in-offer nila during breakfast. Fruits area. Drinks, of course. Cereal area. And iba't ibang cereal, milk, coffee, as usual. Corn, hard-boiled egg. And lastly, pastry area. May egg waffles, my favorite. Yun naman ay isasama ko kayo dahil for today, we will have our tour. So maghapon tayo ngayong maglilibot sa iba't ibang places dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Pero ang aming hinar na service ang Pinoy Balot Travel and Tours. So ito na nga, nasa loob ako ng kanilang van and we will tour you later on. So see you mga mommy! This will be our van for the whole day. So nirent namin to for 7,500 baht mga mommy. Pero included na to yung 12 hours to 15 hours. So very accommodating yung kanilang mga drivers. Actually, it's our third time to avail their services. Once again, Pinoy Balot Travel and Tours. Thank you so much. So here's the inner look of the Artista van. They call it Artista van dahil nga naman makikita mo, comfy ang kanilang seatings. Ilang persons? 3, 6, 9, 12 persons. Pero for today, we're only 5. So malaki-laki ang seating capacity. Basta Thailand, Pinoy Balot na yan. Yay! Photo! Touchdown, Maeklong Railway Market. Here's the railway market. So beside these markets or this railway, may mga souvenir shops. And may scheduling yung pagdaan ng train. So mag-aantay tayo. We will have our drinks here beside the railway. Kailangan nyo mag-order dyan para maka-sit down. There they are. Order muna tayo ng drink dito sa Maya Cafe. There it is. The train is coming. Ayan na yung train.
Train is coming.
Yes. Choo-choo train. Yan tayo, picturean natin. So guys, pag napunta kayo dito sa Bangkok, Thailand, yan, huwag nyo kalimutan magpunta dito. Location to floating market. So sasakay tayo dyan mamaya at ipapakita namin sa inyo yung mga dadaanan namin. Let's go! So now we're here, we're riding. Hi guys! Meron din ditong residential houses. So hindi lang siya market. Meron ding beside this I think kung anong tawag dito, river or something, ilog. Ganyan yung mga style ng mga bahay dito.
Makasosyal pag nakaano ka.
Pwede din kayo dyan mag-beer habang nakasakay sa boat. And meron din ditong sticky rice. Legit mango sticky rice for only 100 baht. Let's try their coconut ice cream. Meron siyang peanut, shaved ice cream, and meron siyang edible orchid. So let's try it. So good. For only 100 baht. Sarap.
Nakuha ko 100.
Next is their mango sticker rice. Tada! Ano, fresh na fresh.
May ganda naman ang may tickets.
Bye!
Sorry, Daiwo, my son. My son. Daiwo. Makeover.
You should try it guys. Kung nandito kayo sa Bangkok. 100 baht lang din.
Hello, you want time?
Kung ayaw nyo bumili ng mga souvenirs dito kasi nga, in our own personal experience, mahal. Try nyo na lang kumain sa boat, experience nyo yung floating markets. Up. Pag nag-rent kayo ng boat dito sa floating market, pwede nyo na ma-experience yung paggawa ng panucha. Samahan nyo ako mga mami maghalo! We're done here! Ano pong masasabi nyo sa ride natin sa floating market?
It's okay.
Exciting.
Yeah. Adventure.
And Ate Rose,
New experience.
Yes, maganda.
happy po ba kayo?
Of course. 6'7".
6'7". I'll see you on our next destination. Now we're here at Changpu Camp, where the elephants home. So, magpe-pray tayo ng entrance kasi magpapakain sila ng elephants. For our lunch, we are here at Bubble in the Forest or what they call the Blue Lagoon. So mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit Blue Lagoon yung pangalan nitong restaurant na to. Dito lang yan sa Bangkok, Thailand. This is their entrance. Very cavey ang atake dyan. One of the tourist spot. Yan. Kaya siya tinawag na Blue Lagoon kasi yung water niya dito is color blue. Ito yung assigned na area sa amin. Yeah, very ano dito, relaxing. And don't forget to take out your slippers. Ayan. Yan, na-order na kami. Let's order now. Nandito na ang aming orders. Cashew
Can we have the
nuts,
rice? Rice.
chicken,
The rice. Yeah?
the mixed vegetables,
Hindi
the pork neck,
Meron na tayo dito.
Na doble.
at umorder din kami ng
Check mo mamaya
buko
bill mo.
juice. No? That's the fish.
Puro mo na dito ulit. Para hindi mainit. Kain tayo. Dito ba?
Tapos pagluto na. Nagluluto po sila ate at mama ng quail egg. So this is their traditional cooking of quail egg.
Lapit mo na yung mga.
We're entering Wat Arun Temple. So this is their famous temple here. So tara! Bili muna tayo ng ticket, 200 baht per person. Sa 200 baht, kasama na po dito yung water. This is the look from afar. And this is the look near. Yan, malapitan. So I am here in Wat Arun Temple, mga mami. Hi, te. Ano masasabi mo te sa Wat Arun Temple?
What a fun we have talaga. Enjoy.
Yes, and ma?
Amazing.
Wow! Speechless. Speechless. Yeah. Super nice mag-visit dito, mga mommy. For fun. Picture taking. Ayan, maraming mga spots. To picture for only 200 baht yung entrance. Tapos pag nag-rent kayo dito, 150 baht lang yung costume. Kompleto na. So bababa na po ang mga titas of Manila. Tara na ba? Yan ang challenge dito ay dahan-dahan dahil delikado. Okay. Te, baba natin. Tan 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 tan. Candidate number 2. Ate Lek. Yes. Candidate number 3. Yes. Dalagang Pilipina. Candidate number 4. Tayo ba te? Yun. O, dandante. Yes. Yan. What Arun Temple.
That's all, folks.
Yan. Day 3 in Thailand. So, this would be our shopping day. Free day dahil wala naman tayong nabook na tour. So, first stop, we're going to Platinum Mall. Yan, magtitingin-tingin tayo dyan ng mga damit-damit and many more. So, yan si Mama. Outfit check. And the ates. Outfit check the outfit check. Yan. Yan, mga dresses. Opo. Dikit-dikit na shop dito, guys. So, syempre, bisitahin nyo rin talaga tong area na to for more shopping, more choices. So, yan. Nakabili tayo dito sa Iza. Iza Store 236B. Yan, nakabili tayo. Nakabili din tayo sa Mi Stall 218A. Yan, gaganda rin dito ng mga cohorts. Yan. Mabili rin tayo dyan. Third shop, Clothes Club. Visit their store here. Next shop, Biwi. Mga Thailand na damit, terno-terno. Here. Pabili na tayo. So, we are done our shopping here at Platinum. Later again. We are availing the free photo shoot here in the Vince Hotel. For free lang po ito sa mga nag-check-in. Bibihisa na po sila ate for their photo shoot. Yes! Oy! Binibisa na si ate Josie with the red and gold, a little bit rose gold. Here's the finish. Look. Flex mo, te. Ikot ka, te. Tan, 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 tan. Yes. Ate Lek is coming. And Ate Rose. Very pretty. with the pink and gold touch of Thai costume. And color, royal blue.
Hawak ko ang pink.
Yes. Siya na daw po.
Can you move to this side, please? Too much. Sit down, please. Sit down.
Oh, ang cute ni Ate Rose.
Sit down, please. Sit down.
We are now here at Icon Siam. Second mall na pupuntahan natin. Let's go! Papunta naman kami ngayon sa Icon Siam Mall. Here in Icon Siam, maraming food bazaar. Marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian. Over there. And here are the ates. Tadyo. Yeah. We're already done in Icon Siam. So ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa Big C. At magpi-free taste tayo later. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga titikman natin at pamimili. At syempre kasama ko pa rin ang whole team. Sila, nagtitingin-tingin. So, let's go! Before we enter, pagawa muna natin si Basti and Gani ng keychain with their names. This is the finished product. Gift ni Mamila for Gani and Basti. Nabili naman sila ate ng scented soap. First free taste. This is mango gummy. Free taste. Ayan, we're getting this for Basti and Gani and Buddy Buddy. Siyempre, mawawala ba naman ang coffee? Tingin tayo ng mga coffee dito. Ito ang sikreto namin. Done! Big C! Pakita niyo mga sinapin niyo, te! Ma! Yan! Ate Rose! Yes! Yes! Last day in Thailand! We are done for today. And tapos na kaming mamili for today's video. So, see you again tomorrow! Fourth and last day here in Thailand. So, pupunta na kami sa airport. Inantay ko lang sila ate kasi nag-breakfast. And we really had fun here in Thailand for 4 days. Too short pero okay na rin. So, again, we stayed here at the Vince Hotel, Pratunam. And kung gusto nyo rin mag-book dito, ayan, mag-book lang kayo sa Agoda or Klook. Very cheap yung kanilang price range pero sobrang ganda ng services nila kasi nga may free breakfast, tapos may access sa pool, free photoshoot ng naka-Thai costume, and also meron ding midnight snacks dito. So madaming benefits pagka kayo ay nag-check-in here. So, I'll update you later guys pag pumunta na kami ng airport. We're already here again, back to Suvarnabhumi Airport. We're going to the Philippines in a while. So that's it mga mami. Ito na yung end ng tour namin dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ano pa masasabi niyo sa ating naging tour?
Bitin.
Bitin, ate.
Bitin.
Si mama.
Relaxing.
And-
Masaya.
Yes, so I hope you like our video. See you on our next vlog. Bye!